have a kitty shirt. Oh. Today we're just gonna get ready together, yay! For the people who have been subscribed, which there aren't many of you, you might have noticed that I deleted all my videos. I didn't delete them, I just hid all of them from public viewing because I look back at all those videos I made and they're all cringeworthy. Welcome to Hellos from Joe 2.0. I'm just gonna start getting ready right now. I'm putting on my skincare. I have to leave at 10:30 and it is 8:30, and this is not actually MAC Fix Plus that I'm spraying on my face. This is the Thayers Witch Hazel. Okay, next up I'm gonna apply the NARUKO Tea Tree Toner. I really like this. This is my friend gave me like a sample of it and I really enjoyed it. I felt like it cleared most of my topical stuff because there's some salicylic acid in here, but not a lot. It's 0.2%. But it's honestly the thing that keeps my skin from breaking out, because when I ran out of the small sample that my friend gave me, I just started breaking out again. I was like, oh hell no. So I went and purchased some from Amazon. They're not that expensive. They're about $15 for 4 fluid ounces. And yeah, I've basically just been using the NARUKO tea tree line, but not all of them, because I once tried a sample of the night jelly on my hand, and like 5 minutes later I started like breaking out in rashes on my hand. I was like, oh wow. Because I never have like any skincare sensitivities really. Like my skin can take a lot of stuff. One I think you should avoid, especially if you have sensitive skin. Next up, again, I basically just reuse empty skincare containers. This is an empty of the MIZON multifunction formula SNAIL repair, but it's actually the NARUKO tea tree. Oh my god, this sounds like a plug for NARUKO. It's not. Don't buy it, I guess. I'm not trying to convince you to buy it. Use this dropper because it's like one of the better droppers empties. This is basically the serum that was left over from a NARUKO tea tree mask, and I was like, oh hell no, I'm not wasting that. So I just spilled it into this. I sound really poor whenever I talk about this. I'm not poor, okay? I'm just cost efficient. Yeah, I'm just gonna have to let this soak in for a bit before I apply my sunscreen. Just gotta keep it like this. While I wait for that to soak in, I'm gonna go put on my clothes. Okay, hello friends. I am back. I think my skincare is sunk in now, so I'm gonna apply my sunscreen. I'm actually going to be meeting my friend today. I'm gonna be vlogging. I'm gonna try vlogging for the first time. I'm not really sure if I'm gonna do it right. I'm not sure if there's gonna be a video posted. Like, I don't want to post garbage. And that might be what it's gonna be. We're going to Brookfield Place, yay! I don't know if you guys know where Brookfield Place is. Well, anyway, Brookfield Place is like this huge, really bougie mall in Manhattan. Tribeca, I think, should be the area. I've been eating junk food this past week. Oh my god, that's why I think I broke out here and here. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but they're there. They're making themselves known. I totally forgot to put on under eye cream. You know what? I always do that, like I don't put on. Yeah, this morning is great. Back to the video. Well, the video is me getting ready, but apparently I'm not getting ready at all. I'm gonna put on some concealer now. This is the Tarte Shape Tape in light medium honey. It's actually, I think, a little too pink for me, but it's fine for under the eyes and like concealing some spots before I apply anything. Applying that onto my eyes. So how have you guys been? This past year has been a wild ride for me, personally. I just discovered a lot of things about myself that I'm like, what? But I guess 20 is the age of self-discovery, right? I mean, any age is the age of self-discovery, but I guess 20 is just more. Alright, concealer applied. Now I'm gonna go in with my cushion foundation. This is the HERA black cushion. I like the texture of it. My cushion is like super dirty though. I need to wash it. I was supposed to wash it last night, but then I fell asleep. Living the life. Okay, so that's enough. I just have to apply some concealer. on sunspots. Guys, I learned so much about makeup this year. Like, I used to watch a lot of beauty gurus, so I used to think that I was actually really good, but I was shit. Until I started watching Pony makeup, like Pony Syndrome. Oh my god, she's so good at makeup. Like, I don't know, not like anyone else's worse. I just like her style of makeup where it's like super light, but then still covers everything. It's like healthy skin, you know? And like I've never had like super good skin. I mean, throw back to when I was 8 years old. I mean, I had the clearest skin in the world when I was 8 years old. I just applied the same concealer, tip concealer, onto my hand, and I'm just gonna apply some of this all over. Sometimes it's a little bit too meticulous, you know, like having to apply teeny tiny concealer to every single part of your face is exhausting. Yo, this pimple right here is 3D. I can't. Sometimes I want to learn how to hide pimples in 3D. Like, do people just put like masks on them? Like, you know how like when people are trying to look like witches, they stick some like paper mache like stuff on their face? Is it like that? Because sometimes I might just do that, like, honestly. Just create a whole new layer of skin for myself. What do you guys think? Am I concealed enough? This is the Laura Mercier. It was $38. That's expensive. So you guys might be wondering, what are we gonna expect from you this summer, Joanne? And the answer is, I don't know. I'm gonna be doing a lot of stuff. I'm gonna be vlogging, trying to do some beauty tutorials, even though I'm shite. Comedy stuff, because I'm a personality. All the stuff, actually. I'm just gonna apply powder. This is the SAEMMUL Perfect Pore Pink Pact, which I got in a store because I just wanted a random powder. I don't know if I'm gonna repurchase this again. Like, I've hit pan. But the thing is, it's super powdery, and also like it gives a pink tint, like it brightens your skin. I don't really know if that's good because I don't really apply the powder onto my neck. So what happens is like my face is like 3 shades lighter than my neck. I'm gonna apply some eyeshadow, literally just like one. It's gonna be 4th shade in from the e.l.f. Matte for Matte palette. It's like this kind of pinky shade that I really liked putting on my eyes because it makes me look like I have deeper set eyes than I actually do. Okay, I'm gonna wipe off my bake now. This is the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Powder. I'm gonna apply this under my eyes. Then I'm gonna apply more of that shadow that I used earlier with this eyeshadow C brush, but I'm just gonna use it as like a very widely under the eyes powder. Gonna keep my eyes open and try to blend this stuff out so that it actually looks natural. Okay, I'm gonna apply eyebrow. This is the Anastasia Brow Wiz in dark brown. Just gonna brush up my eyebrow hairs. That's about as full as I'm gonna get. I don't know how to do eyebrows. So let's just apply that. And now I'm gonna apply the Glossier Boy Brow. I'm gonna apply the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer with this HERA large angled contour brush that I got from the Ipsy bag a few months back. I still don't know how to apply bronzer. Do I low-key look like I have a unibrow? I'm gonna apply blush. I'm gonna apply with the e.l.f. highlighting brush that I used to apply the ambient lighting powder, because I don't care. And yeah, just gonna apply it all over. This is the Lychee blush from also Ipsy. I look like a man in the viewfinder. Me every day. Okay, I'm gonna apply highlight now. And this is the Morphe M501. I bought this because every single beauty YouTuber out there was like marveling at it, and it's like nice. It like applies the highlight like really intensely. The problem is it's like it sheds over your face and also into the highlight. If it's like a cream highlighter or like something like the Super Shock highlighter, it just like gets stuck in there. I mean, it doesn't like affect how the product applies, it's just gross. Sometimes I feel like it takes forever to apply my makeup. I'm like taking my sweet time today. I'm just gonna apply some mascara and then we're gonna be done. Oh, my lips. Guys! I forgot to apply primer. I just forget, whatever, who cares? I have no eyelashes. This is the L'Oreal, this is the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. That's the most eyelashes I'm ever gonna get, whatever. Yeah. Should I do my hair, guys? This always happens, like after I finish doing my makeup, I just give up on everything else. I'm gonna go in with the PERIPERA Airy Ink Velvet, and then we're gonna be done. We're so close to being finished. Now that I finished applying that, I think it's a little too bright. So I'm gonna try to tone it down just a little bit. So I'm gonna go in with the ColourPop Ultra Satin Lip in freaking Frack, which is like a super, like, it doesn't look as dark on the outside, but on the inside it's like a super dark rosy brown nude. Oh, see? It's like dark. Going in with the tissue because I don't know how to apply makeup. And cleaning up. Do I want to straighten my hair? It's already pretty straight. I think I'm gonna straighten some of my hair. Alright, I'm gonna fast forward through this because I don't know how to straighten my hair. Don't want to show you guys how badly I don't know how to straighten my hair. I look the same. Straightening straight hair, what a ride! Alright guys, I gotta go. See you guys in the vlog. Bye!